The Windows Firewall is one of the main components of Windows 10 security system. It works like a filter between a PC and the internet, by blocking or allowing connections depending on whether or not they're safe. Firewalls will, for your security, block or allow a lot of traffic automatically, but sometimes you will see a message asking you if you want to allow a program to connect to the internet. This usually happens when you use a new program for the first time. There could also be situations where you need to allow a program through your firewall that has been blocked incorrectly. This is known as whitelisting. The easiest way to do whitelisting is to do with the Windows Firewall. To manage the whitelist in the Windows Firewall, click Start, type Firewall and click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow a program or feature through Windows Firewall, or, if you're using Windows 10, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. On the next screen, click Change Settings, then tick or untick the box next to an item to allow or block it. Alternatively, you can tick or untick the box in either the private or public columns. If you wanted to allow a program internet access when you're connected to your home network, private, but block it when you're connected to a public one, such as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Tech tips you can trust. Get our free tech newsletter for advice, news, deals, and stuff the manuals don't tell you. There are occasions where it's much safer to block all incoming data connections to your computer, including all of the programs on your whitelist of connections that you'd normally allow. Want some more help with your home network? We can help you with one-to-one support on a range of tech issues.